We get on a ship. We are going to a beach. Uh-oh, the ship shakes. I fall and hit my chin. Who shakes the ship? It's a big fish. Oh no! The fish wants the ship for lunch.